If you're looking for light-up ugly sweater ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon Christmas Store. Christmas light-up ugly sweater ideas. Number 1, by Blizzard Bay. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Blizzard Bay. Number 3, by Christmas Ugly Sweater Company. More ugly sweaters now available online, just click this circle and get yours. Number 4. Number 5, also by Christmas Ugly Sweater Company. Find these light-up ugly sweater ideas at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Blizzard Bay. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Christmas Ugly Sweater Company. Discover more light-up ugly sweater ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Forum Novelties. Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.